Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: Apple ID signed in, device passcode set, and the VPN username and password or configuration details at hand. Open Settings now. If you'll use an App Store client, install it before proceeding. Once done, decide whether to add a manual VPN profile or let the app configure the connection automatically. Make this choice early because it changes the next steps. Manual setup requires server, remote ID, and protocol information ready to enter. Now you'll configure the VPN itself. If you chose manual setup, go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management, then add VPN configuration. Pick ICAV2, IPsec, or L2TP and enter server, remote ID, and your credentials. If using an app, launch it, sign in, and follow prompts to allow the VPN profile. Permit Add VPN config when iOS asks. Once the profile is saved or the app shows ready, toggle the VPN switch or press Connect. This initiates the secure finish by verifying the connection. Look for the VPN icon in the status bar and confirm your IP or location has changed using a quick web check. If it won't connect, recheck username, password, server name, and chosen protocol because a small typo breaks the handshake. Make sure the network allows VPN traffic. As a key troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode, reboot the iPhone, or reinstall the app. These steps clear transient network and permission issues and often restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.